Hello off-roading friends, a few updates from Trekkit ATV. So season 3 is out, and it was supposed to be our last ATV adventure. After 10 years of various adventures from Iceland, Norway, Scotland, Mount Katahdin, and the last 3 years ripping around on an ATV, it was time to put away the camera, time to slow down, and I even hung up my shirt that's traveled with me the last 3 years and on our 2,300 kilometer journey. With the fun and excitement of producing Season 3, it has given us renewed energy, and we're happy to announce Trekkit ATV Season 4, which is currently in planning stages with the help of our friends from Fibe TV1 and support from our newest partner, Segway Powersports Canada. Thanks, Mark. We have a limited supply of Season 3 hoodies and shirts. The t-shirts list all the towns we visited during our New Brunswick loop. These are available for a limited time, so please visit shop.trekkit.com soon. Season 4 will be showcasing 9 ATV hero towns. We want you, the viewer, to nominate your town as an ATV hero town. Visit www.trekkit.com for details. But visiting hero towns is not the only thing coming to Season 4. We have new faces on the team, and we have a project to be announced soon with Kimpex, one of North America's largest motorsports distributors. But the icing on the cake for Season 4 is the Trekkit crew is planning their biggest challenge yet. You thought 2,300 kilometer loop was crazy? This is even nuttier. More details very soon. Safe and happy trails, everybody.
Be sure to follow Trekkit online to keep up to date with what we've got going on and to join us on ATV runs. Don't forget to head on over to our website and get your limited edition Season 3 hoodie and t-shirt package. And submit your vote as to why your town is a hero town.
Did someone bring the ribs? No! Ah! They were left in the fridge! No! Yeah! It's okay, I'm sure they've got some at the Irving up here.